Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Lakewood Tech channel where we go over various technology, equipment, any sort of devices that we come across, we review. I'm starting off with a few basic ones here, but we have a Ryobi 1 Plus mini portable shop vac. Goes for about $50. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It is small, very compact. These are all just information you can get from the internet, but it comes with the a hose attachment, a tool, a thin tool and a filter. I don't know if it actually comes with a bag, or it's just the container itself, like other dry vacs. It is an 18-volt, 1-gallon container. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Not too bad. So we'll open this up, see what it looks like, see what's inside. Okay, I opened up the box so we can take a look. Looks like that's a pamphlet right on the top here. It looks like the battery goes straight into the top. There's a nice hefty handle on here. Does not come with the battery on this model, but I have plenty so we can see what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward. A little attachment here for the vacuum. So open it up, see what's inside of it. There's the hose. This is most likely the filter. I know the filter's already into. What is this? Okay, some sort of angle attachment for the hose. Nice flexible hose, pretty durable feeling. But it is clear plastic, so I don't know how long that would last over. Some of the shop vacs I have are a lot more durable looking. But again, only $50, and it's portable. So as you can see, here's the bottom. Filter unlocks. Got the little ball for the unlocks here. This is the little ball for the wet, if you have water inside of it. A nice big on and off switch, which seems pretty durable. Let's pop a battery in and see what it looks like. Okay. Sorry. Good. This the intake. Let's see how we can get this connected. Okay, well, that's what you get for not reading the instructions. Read the instructions, everybody. You put this angle attachment in first, all the way, and then now it's movable. You can pivot the actual attachment. This locks in with a twist. Everyone, just going to do a little cleanup sample with a mess down here. Alright, we just finished vacuuming up the little dirty spot. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Again, I don't have a bag, so it's just going to be straight in the bucket. That's not too bad. Thank you everyone for watching. This is the Lakewood Tech channel, and again, we review all sorts of electronics. If you have any requests, please let us know. Feel free to comment or contact us for more information. This is it for the Ryobi portable vacuum. Hopefully we'll have some more. Thank you.